Hey everybody, 2020 Eagleman here today with another mail day. As you can see in the back, I have all the cards kind of laid out there. I already went through all the cards because there was quite a bit to go through and I didn't want to go through them on camera. So I have this stack of cards here, which are the more valuable ones, which I'll flip through right now. So, top we got a Ken Kamenity, 88 Donruss rookie. Bowman Chrome, 1998. We got Carlos Lee and Marcus Thames. Both of their rookie cards, which was pretty nice. Here's a 1999 Topps Chrome. This is of Mike Piazza, Ivan Rodriguez, and Jason Kendall. So that was a really cool card. Here's 2006 Topps Update. We got Justin Verlander on the right, which was, I think that was his second year card. And then on the left, we got Derek Jeter there, being featured. So Verlander and Jeter. Here's 2007 Topps Update. We got Daisuke. It's his rookie card. Was pretty cool. Jumping to 2016, we got Mike Trout, along with Chris Davis and Nelson Cruz. I thought this was a really cool card. This is from 2016. It's an insert. It's a walk-off wins insert of David Freese from his 2011 World Series. That was a crazy, crazy World Series. It's one of the better ones that I've seen. And I remember watching it as a kid. David Freese hitting his walk-off homer, which was pretty cool. Here's 2018 Topps Chrome, just an Austin Hayes rookie. And then we're going to get into some parallels now. So 1997 Topps Chrome Refractor. And then 1998 Bowman Chrome. That's an international parallel. And then Pacific Aurora. And this must be some sort of gold parallel because it's numbered out of 52. So pretty low numbering. And then here's some 2002 Topps Chrome Refractors. Those had some pretty amazing shine to them. And then, of course, my favorite gold cards, 2006. Here's a Jeter gold. Pretty cool. And then some 2006 Topps Chrome. So we got the black refractor over here, and then the red refractor. And the red refractor is numbered out of 90, actually. So pretty low numbering on that. And then the black is numbered out of 549. So that red one is definitely cool. I do not have one of those in my collection. I was excited about that. Here's more 2006. This is the first edition parallel. You can kind of see that logo right there. It's such a subtle parallel. It's kind of hard to miss, or it's really easy to miss. And I actually almost missed this card flipping through, but I guess that's a fairly valuable parallel in the 2006 update set. Here's a set I've never actually seen before. This is 2009 Topps Unique. This is the red parallel of Alex Gordon, numbered out of 1199. So it's a very simple design, what it looks like. I mean, it just shows the player. It's mostly the player up there, and it's got a lot of pretty large border. It's pretty sleek. I kind of like the set. I don't know why I've never heard of it before. But yeah, this is the red parallel. And then over here we got 2015 Chrome Update. Pretty sparkly parallels there. I think that's the Prism parallel. I think so. Here's some Prism, Panini Prism. Not too popular with a number of people, but I kind of like the Prism set that Panini does. Mostly people don't like the fact that they are not licensed with the MLB, so they can't have any of the logos and they can't say the team names at all. But these are just some parallels from Panini Prism. Kind of cool. There's just a base refractor, and then this is like a red baseball refractor. Got a few of these here. So pretty cool. There's some pretty nice cards. I wish they were licensed by the MLB. I think they would be more popular with people if that were the case. But here's 2016 Topps, just a gold parallel. And then just a regular rainbow foil parallel. And then 2017, we got more of the same. We got a gold parallel here. And then a few rainbow foil parallels. And then here's a 2018 gold of Chris Taylor. And then a 2018 hollow foil of the Royals. And then get into some of the bigger cards now. We got an autograph, 2004 Bowman Chrome. I like how they put the sticker. It's like over half of his face. It's a pretty poor job, but still pretty cool. It's in good condition. It's just a regular autograph. And then Panini Prism, Dylan G of New York, the Mets, Panini Prism. numbered out of 50. It's a pretty low number, and that's a really cool card. It's got some nice shine to it, and it's a nice autograph. That's from 2015. And then lastly, this one kind of surprised me. This is a vintage rookie card of Bob Turley. As you can see, I put the rookie card on backwards because these are 54 tops, and the 54 tops are much longer cards. And as you can see, it barely fits into this top loader here. And it was already in a sleeve. I don't know what sleeves they used, but the sleeves that the typical sleeves usually don't fit on the 54 tops in length. So it already had a sleeve on it, so I just kept that sleeve there and slowly slid it into this rookie card top loader. And yeah, I guess this card is worth quite a bit. So it's a 1950s rookie of a pretty good player. So yeah, very excited about this one. I put the whole rookie card top loader into this team bag just to protect it a little bit more. But yeah, there you guys have it. That is the quick mail day for you. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and like, subscribe, and such. And I will see you guys next time.